I want to thank Carlton and Eric. You know, what a great show. You know, it's funny. I'm called what people still call a film producer. But you know, you think of feature films, and they take hundreds of people to make them. It costs millions of dollars. You know, and they're supposed to generally try to kind of be a lot like the movies that came before them, the same style, same type of stories, make it seem like you've seen them before. And it's hard to say that that's really that's film producing when you see this. You know, people ask me what I like about movies, and it's films that are distinct, that have a really personal voice, you know, that are daring and ambitious. That's what all this is. This is film, not this type of feature films that, you know, Hollywood makes. So it was really exciting to get to watch these. I watched these with my 10-year-old son, and he dug them as much as I did. And we got in some battles about what was number one, but we agreed on some of them, and some of those won prizes. I should tell you tonight, the prize-winning films received packages from Adobe, Google, Alight Designers, Retrix Hostings, and Vimeo. So, without any further ado, the awards for nonfiction, hailing from not quite my hometown, but across the river, Brooklyn, Luke Geisperler for Space Balloon. Although, watching that with my 10-year-old son, it was a bit intimidating because he wanted to know why we couldn't go out and do that. For stop motion, Broken Fingers for 3D stop motion. Also watching that with my 10-year-old son, he wanted to know why we couldn't go out and do that. For experimental, Surabi Sara for Fold. And I believe we have a winner in the house, is that right? Please come up.
Thank you so much.